Pero ikaw, you are not important to me. Oo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yan. Kaya, huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ako kailanman magdidemanda sa'yo. Oh, tumatawa ka pa eh.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Natatawa ka sa akin eh.
No, Mr. Chair, I am expressing my gratitude, Mr. Chair.
Ganun ba? You made a statement against me. Ang sabi mo, ganito, kung abante, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayer, tinawag mo akong tinawag mo akong ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Gusto mo ba akong umiyak ngayon sa'yo? Please, yes.
That is part of my freedom of speech, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
is that right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So your freedom of speech is to tell a person that he is freedom of speech ba yan?
My freedom of speech, part of my freedom
Ang
of
galing
speech is
mo.
to react
Ang
on the
galing mo.
action of
Ito
a
pa,
public
sinabi
official.
mo in another post, ito sinabi mo, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that still freedom of speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganon. If I tell you right now, sasampalin kita, freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir, it's overt
Hindi
action
na.
already.
Ang galing. Mahusay ito. Ang sabi mo, I'm going to be Hindi ko masabi to Mr. Chair F-U-C-K-E-D, prepared.
Mr. Chair, I cannot intelligently answer if I do not know when the post was posted.
You can post something today and you forget that tomorrow. Am I right?
That is correct, Mr. Chair. That's very likely.
You hated me. Hindi pwede sabihin mo sa akin na you love me. Is that a person that you said that you love me? I love you and because of that, isasampal ko ito sa'yo.
At the very most, I do not like your performance as a member of the 19th Congress. But hate is such a powerful word. Mr. Chair, if you think that you are violated by my exercise of my freedom, you would have your right and
No,
day
no,
in court.
don't worry. I'm not going to charge you. If I charge you in court, matatalo ka eh. Pero hindi. Kayo po mga vlogger natin, do you agree with what Miss Joey Cruz said?
I'm a bit forgiving on those, Mr. Chair, because sometimes people are so expressive that we tend to say things. And I could cite your example on the last hearing. You mentioned something as well.
Gusto kong sabihin ngayon, Mr. Chair, publicly. Ikaw ang Binalik ko lang sa kanya eh. Siya ang unang nagsabi.
Nasa public eye din po kami, gaya po ninyo. So, whatever content or opinions that we also post online, nakaka-receive din po kami ng mga gaya ninyo na masasakit na salita. Kaya naiintindihan po namin kung saan din kayo nanggagaling. However, ang difference lang po natin, ang atake sa amin personal, ang atake po sa inyo, on your official function.
Hindi ako binabas ng sino man bago ang Quadcom. Bakit kaya? Di ba?
Share if I may add.
Hindi ako nababas eh. Ngayon lang talaga. Miss Cruz, wala akong karapatang tawagin kitang gago.
And I respect your opinion, Mr. Chair.
Not my opinion. That is my belief.
I respect your belief, Mr.
Iba
Chair.
yung belief. Marami ring bashing ang binigay ni Miss Cruz kay Congressman Ace Barbers eh.
Mr. Chair, I would just like to inform the court that there is a pending action that I have against Ace Barber. So I would like to invoke the sub judice rule on that matter.
Wala namang kasong pinahil eh.
No, Mr. Chair, I filed a libel suit against Congressman Barbers.
Kay Ace Barbers.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oo. Huwag ka na mag-file ng libel suit sa akin. Wala na